Stop complicating things. It's easier than you think. You don't need the gym to get in the best shape of your life. Yeah, I don't care what your feelings say. The hard data shows that calories in has to be less than calories out for weight loss, and that's true regardless. It's complicated by hormones, but it doesn't negate it. So as humans, we're given to some pretty crazy thinking that calories don't matter. And they just a basic equation. And calories do matter. Energy matters. Energy is the currency of life. And we call it calories or kilocalories, whichever you prefer, but they matter according to research by Herman Ponter at Duke University, the prestigious and esteemed Duke University. Everything the body does, from an quote, growing, moving, fighting infection, even just existing, takes calories. A lot of it takes energy. Now that we've established that calories matter, I want to complicate things. A quote from Herman: our metabolic engines were not crafted by millions of years of evolution, millions of years of evolution, millions of years of evolution to guarantee a beach-ready bikini body, but rather our metabolism has been bred to pack on more fat than any other ape. That doesn't sound good, does it? Well, eh, fat is a good source of energy, having 9 calories and units of energy are calories per gram compared to carbohydrates or protein, which only have 4 calories per gram. What's more, our metabolism adapts to energy expenditure through exercise and diet. So we're basically programmed to thwart our own efforts. That's no good, I know. So why exercise? Well, it, to be transparent, the key here is that if you run a marathon tomorrow, you'll burn more calories for that. But if you do things day in and day out, the body likes to keep things in check so you survive. So it'll adapt and lower the amount of calories you burn, becoming more efficient. So what this all means is that calories are used differently in the body. In industrialized Western culture like America and Europe, and they're used for unseen processes in the body. Unfortunately, that is probably more inflammation, and other bad things. Whereas the Hadza tribe in Africa that Herman Ponizer studied this in, they use their calories more for activity. If you found this interesting and want more, and be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your